Hello, we're going to review the department ID or user ID code setup for a Ricoh copier. There are a number of items you're required to complete this. You must know the copier model, you must have the copier IP address, you must have internet access, you must have a web browser installed, you must have admin access to the copier, and you must have the user ID or department ID list. Please note there's 1,000 users max that can be entered on the copier. So let's get started. Go ahead and open a web browser. Enter the IP address of the Ricoh. For this video, we've entered our lab copier. Select the login. Enter admin. And for this device, the password is blank or there's no password. However, there might be a password set here. So ideally, your IT staff or office manager would know that, but normally this is left blank. So admin and blank. Select login. From here, we'll select device management and address book. We'll select detail input. Select add user. From here, you want to enter the identifying name for that user. So for this video, we're going to put user 1. And here's where you enter their code. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Select OK. And there you go. So user 1 is registered as 01 with the code of 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, you can enter up to 1,000 codes or 1,000 users. You can associate a user with the code or just enter the code by itself. So user 1 doesn't necessarily have to be tied to user 1. It can just be code 1, 2, 3, 4. And it could be associated with a department, a group of people, however you deem appropriate. But again, a user does not have to be tied to a code, nor a code to a user. So we have up to 1,000 entries here. We select the back function once the codes are entered. And we want to set up how the codes can be used. And there's a function for that. Select device management and configuration. Select User Authentication Management. Select the drop down here, User Code. Select OK. And then from here is where you would set up what options are available. Black and white, color, any sort of PC control, basically how jobs are controlled from a computer. And at the copier, full control, color, black and white, you name it. So this is specific to your settings and your requirement. We don't have a recommendation on what's best. It's how you want to control the cost or use of the copier. Select OK, and you are done. The ID codes are now set up and is on at the copier. This concludes our video. Thank you.